On the 18th of November 2024, two alarming photographs circulated on WhatsApp depicting a woman with severe burn injuries raised serious concerns. Investigations revealed that the woman hails from Niriang village in Meghalaya's Jaintia Hills. It is alleged that she was subjected to abuse and set on fire by her husband over a month ago. The incident came to light when visitors to her house discovered her deteriorating condition. The woman, reportedly bedridden for nearly a month, had been missing from public view, prompting suspicion among those who knew her. Those who visited her were shocked to find burn scars across her body and learned that she had not received proper medical treatment. The victim, aged between 35 and 40 years and a mother of 6, reportedly confided that her husband was responsible for the attack. Reports also suggest her family was threatened against reporting the matter to the police. Sources revealed that the woman was initially taken to the Shillong Civil Hospital for treatment. However, she was later brought back home by her husband and his relatives, who allegedly pressured her into silence. Doctors at the hospital had inquired about her injuries, to which she reportedly claimed she had burned herself out of frustration. Strangely, the hospital released her without registering the case as a medico-legal incident, bypassing mandatory reporting and legal follow-up. Police have since been alerted to the matter and have begun investigations despite no formal complaint being lodged by the victim or her family. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya State Women's Commission has intervened, assuring support and efforts to secure justice for the victim.